Nashie Zim returns with a heartfelt soul-stirrer, Ruva Rangu. Welcome back to Chero TV. Today, we're diving into the latest release from Nashie Zim, a track that's already tugging at heartstrings across the globe. Titled, Ruva Rangu, My Flower, this soul-stirring ballad is more than just a song, it's a beautifully crafted story of love, longing, and deep emotional connection. A cinematic experience. The music video, produced by Prof Lalo and directed with a keen eye for storytelling, opens with a somber yet intimate scene. We see Nashie Zim in a modern kitchen setting, reflecting a sense of isolation and deep thought. 0. The visual contrast shifts as he's shown against a backdrop of snow-capped mountains and a cozy, sunlit room, emphasizing the theme of distance and the warmth of a loved one's memory. 10. The heart of the lyrics. Ruva Rangu is a Shona term of endearment, and Nashie's lyrics capture that sentiment perfectly. He sings about the slow passage of time and the intense yearning for his partner. 14. The chorus is particularly powerful, where he repeatedly calls his partner, Ruva Rangu, my flower, expressing that his life and his very soul belong to her. 40. The song's emotional peak occurs as Nashie contemplates the depth of his feelings, admitting that if he were to lose her, he would be lost. 46. The imagery of the flower isn't just about beauty, it's about something precious that needs care and constant attention. Why we love it. Soulful vocals. Nashie Zim's voice is smooth and carries a raw emotional weight that makes every word believable. Relatable themes. Anyone who has ever been in love or felt the sting of distance will resonate with this track. High production value. From the crisp audio to the stunning cinematography, Ruva Rangu is a professional and polished piece of art. Join the conversation. What do you think of Nashie Zim's latest release? Did it hit you right in the feels? Let us know in the comments below. Stay tuned to Chero TV for more updates on the best in music and entertainment. Watch the full music video here. Nashie Zim, Ruva Rangu. Relevant hashtags. Hashtag Nashie Zim, hashtag Ruva Rangu, hashtag new music, hashtag Shona soul, hashtag Chero TV, hashtag Zim music, hashtag African music, hashtag love songs, hashtag music video, hashtag Prof Lalo, hashtag soulful music, hashtag Zim entertainment.